Hello and welcome back to SkillWeb. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use Trello. So let's get started. To get started, go to the Trello website and sign up for an account or log in using your existing accounts. Trello is a versatile and user-friendly project management tool that uses boards, lists, and cards to help organize tasks and workflows. Click on the Create a Board button, name your board, choose whether the board will be public, private, or team-based. The Trello's interface contains boards, list cards, organize your work into different projects. Create a list. Click on Add a list on the board. Name your list based on workflow stage. Add cards. Click on Add a card within a list. Name the card with a specific task or item. Customize cards. Click on a card to open it. Add descriptions, due dates, checklist, labels, attachments, and comments to provide details and context. Drag and drop cards between lists to track progress, like move a card from to-do to doing when you start working on it. Invite team members to your board. Assign team members to specific cards by clicking on Members. Use labels and checklist. Create labels for categorization and checklist within cards to break down tasks into smaller steps. Set due dates for cards to manage deadlines, attach files, documents, or relevant resource to cards. Trello notifies you of updates, comments, and due dates via email or the Trello mobile app. Archive completed cards or lists to keep your board organized and clutter-free. To archive a card, click on these three dots, then click on Archive. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.